What is recrystallization? In chemistry, recrystallization means it is a technique to remove impurities from organic compound and to purify chemicals and product. So basically it is a purification process. What are principle of recrystallization? Principle of recrystallization, point number 1. Solubility of a compound in solvent increases with increase in temperature. Second, cool down the solution and let the crystal form. Third, if the molecule of same kind, then they have a greater affinity and which will lead to binding of them. Let us now study the methods of recrystallization. Step number 1. First of all, dissolve the impure crystal in a hot solvent. The use of the solvent should be minimum. So in minimum amount of solvent, dissolve the impure crystal. Next thing comes to our mind is choice of solvent. Which type of solvent should be selected? Then two important things is to be remembered. Impurity should be highly soluble at a room temperature. So we must select the solvent in which impurity remains soluble at a room temperature. Second point, the compound should get easily recrystallized at a room temperature. So the choice of solvent should be such that low solubility of compound at a room temperature. Therefore, we should select a solvent depending on trial and error method suitable to our condition. Next step is to filter the hot suspension with the help of suction so that non-soluble impurities will get filtered out. Step number 3. Cool the filtered solution. Step number 4. Allow the pure solid crystal formation. Step number 5. Collection of pure crystal by filtration. Step number 6. Dry the pure crystal. Step number 7. We'll check the purity of crystal with the help of melting point. Conclusion. Recrystallization is a technique or a process in which impure form of material is converted to a pure form.